Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing a review on this FitStill aluminum case for your GoPro. Now I do want to start this off by saying this is exactly what I was looking for. So what I needed was a case that was going to protect my GoPro entirely. And not only protect it entirely, but also give me access to every single feature that the GoPro had. And this FitStill case went above and beyond. There's a dedicated cutout for every single thing. So as you can see here, we have the on and off, and there's a very nice cutout. Here we have a record with also the cutout. And there's even a perfect cutout for your battery, so you don't have to remove the case in order to replace your battery. Also, the bottom is fully free, so you still have the ability to use your mounts. And like I said, this FitStill case goes above and beyond. Not only do you have access to every single feature on the GoPro, and not only does it also protect your GoPro very well, but you get some extra features by having the case on. As you can see, it also has the ability to attach microphones or lights. You have the option up here at the top, as well as another option on the side. You even have the ability to screw this onto any tripod. So honestly, I really do think this case is an incredible investment. Not only does it protect every single corner of this GoPro, but it also enhances the looks. It does add a little bit of weight to the GoPro, but it's something I'm willing to manage in return for the incredible protection that you get. So you get protection, you get a great looking GoPro because the case definitely makes it look a lot better. You still have the ability to use every single feature on the GoPro, and then it goes above and beyond to add extra features that you can use. So like I said, overall, I think this is an incredible investment. I think it's an incredible way to protect your GoPro. And then they went ahead and added a whole bunch of accessories, like a lens protector, mounts, and even a battery replacement cover. So you really can't go wrong with this FitStill case.